Rain, severe thunderstorms and possible flooding for much of the east coast this weekend, including for areas around Sydney and parts of southeast Queensland. This wet weather is being driven by moist easterly flow pushing against the east coast, driving these widespread areas of showers and storms. These areas extend through parts of central and southeast Queensland, right down the east coast of New South Wales, and will, especially from Saturday onwards, spill into parts of Victoria and Tasmania as well. As the weekend goes on and we head towards early next week, we may start to see these showers starting to ease back through parts of the southeast in particular, but the risk of heavy falls will continue in some areas, particularly tied to thunderstorm activity. So let's take a quick look at the thunderstorm forecast for the next few days. For the remainder of our Friday, thunderstorms are possible across much of eastern Australia. Severe storms, the yellow areas on this map, are possible across parts of southeast inland Queensland, spilling down across the New South Wales ranges as far south as the southern tablelands or so. Now, severe storms in these areas bring the risk of heavy falls that could lead to flash flooding through the rest of this afternoon and evening. Damaging wind gusts and large hail are also possible, particularly with storms through southeast Queensland, but heavy rainfall is the main concern. And that concern doesn't ease overnight. Looking at tomorrow's thunderstorm forecast, we see storms possible across many of the same areas, but that risk of storms ramps up a little bit through the southeast, with severe storms possible through parts of Victoria and Tasmania as well. Once again, heavy falls leading to flash flooding will be the main risk, as that could quickly bring water over the roads, leading to dangerous driving conditions and possible road closures. We may even see the inundation of some homes and properties. Any storms could bring gusty winds and short, sharp downbursts of rainfall, which could as well bring down trees or tree limbs over the next few days. Now, in anticipation of this rainfall, a flood watch has been issued for the Hawkesbury-Nepean Valley. We are expecting moderate rainfall totals through the rest of today across the Greater Sydney, the Blue Mountains and parts of the Illawarra. But where we see those thunderstorms moving through, we could see those locally higher falls. Anybody living or working across the Hawkesbury-Nepean Valley should be aware that we could see some river rises over the next 24 to 48 hours as water moves through the systems. Similarly, we have a flood watch in place for parts of southeast Queensland. Now, for Queensland, the main risk of flooding is through Saturday into Sunday as water starts to filter through those river catchments there. Anyone across these flood watch areas should be aware that we may see them upgraded to flood warnings across the weekend, depending on where those thunderstorms move and where we see the heaviest falls developing. As this situation unfolds, it is essential to stay up to date via the Bureau's website, the BOM weather app and via our social media. Stay safe and we'll catch you in the next update.